when Stree came. And of course, due credit to their actors Shraddha Kapoor, Rajkumar Rao, Pashakti, Abhishek Banerjee, all of them. They also, I think, at that time had believed in a film that had never happened.
And I don't think we should ever compare Munja with all the horror shows on TV. Never. If you talk about age, if you talk about how I'm looking, I don't care. There were a lot of people who were making fun of me. Ki, oh, you'll go to the industry, you don't know anybody. Tu badal jayegi, tera ye ho jayega, wo ho jayega.
It's also not come from this industry, and I have nobody even close or far in this industry in my relatives. Lots of people even told my parents that, why are you letting her become an actor? You know, and my parents are very nicely said that it's none of your business, nor is it ours. Which was a great answer, I thought.
Do you want to try listening to him, Mona? No. You're fine. You're good.
No thanks, I don't really do this on camera.
I like your mind also, sorry to interrupt.
Yes,
What's your takeaway on working with a new actor?
Can't sit on camera.
Explicit content.
Genuinely. Will they do that to a man? Will they zoom on their crotch when a man is walking in? No.
Hello. Hi Mona. Hi Sharmi. Hi Abhay.
Hello.
Welcome to News 18.
Thank you.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Excited.
Top of things.
Lovely.
On top of things.
Also, we can't ignore Munja who's there.
Yeah, you must say
Shouldn't.
hello.
Hello.
You must say hello to Munja.
Very scary.
He's saying hi back to you.
Oh, through you. Lovely.
New mediator.
Okay, so to start with, tell me, how does it feel to be a part of this Maddox supernatural verse? I mean, it's like a legacy now of sorts. Tell me about it.
I think the biggest legacies of like our Hindi film industry, Maddox actually produces some interesting stuff. We've all seen those. And story like Munja, where a CGI character is not there, but a CGI actor is there, and putting a lot of effort in taking cinema to another level, I would say, and doing something which has never been done before. And I love to put it this way, that I'm happy that I'm doing my Shri Ganeshan theatres with Munja, because this is really a special film, because first of all, nothing of sorts we've seen before. Second of all, it's a horror comedy which is loved by every what do you say, age group from a smaller kid to even grandparents of ours. We all collectively can go together, and this being a cinematic experience will obviously और चांद लगा देगा horror और comedy दोनों में. And yeah, this is once in a lifetime opportunity which honestly we have got. She just said कि industry हर 7 साल बाद evolution होता है उसमें. I hope this is the 8th year and we are starting with that evolution.
But how about the two of you? You know, we had Stree, we had Bhedia, we had Ruhi. So to now, you know, join that bandwagon, how does it feel?
I think, Maddox as a production house, when Stree came, and of course due credit to their actors Shraddha Kapoor, Rajkumar Rao, Pashakti, Abhishek Banerjee, all of them, they also, I think, at that time had believed in a film that had never happened.
True.
You know, so I'm assuming that they must have felt what we must be feeling today. I am assuming. Maybe hopefully we can be put in a room one day and ask them, okay, how did you go about this?
Yeah, that would be interesting.
But I think that Maddox and everybody who worked at Stree really changed the course of Hindi cinema at one point. You know, horror comedy, this kind of genre, I don't like. The fact that people went in with such big numbers just changed the game.
Absolutely.
You know, and the fact that they after that came up with incredible stories, and now they're coming up with something so new, which is of course what Abhay said, which is a CGI actor, and in that to take fresh faces and to take a completely different cast, you know, is also a very big leap. For producers, but they believe, so they truly believe in their product, they truly believe in their actors, and so I think for us it's very easy to believe and put our faith in them, and that's what I have done, put my faith in Dinu, in Maddox, and I'm sure everything will go well.
How lovely. Mona, you know, for years we have been seeing this supernatural, content on television, which a lot of people felt were a little regressive in nature. But now, I mean, Sri sort of, like she said, set a precedent of sorts. Now a lot of people turned up. Sri was a massive hit at the theatre.
Yes.
And that was followed up with Abhedia, now with Munja. So, how do you look at this dichotomy? What's like regressive on TV actually is actually, pretty interesting for the big screen.
I wouldn't call this regressive at all. This is pretty progressive.
Yeah.
And a combination of horror with comedy is brilliant. Because people like us who are not an out and out horror fan can easily go and watch a movie like this, which is entertaining, with which you learn so much about CGI, you appreciate cinema. So I am very happy and proud to be a part of this franchise, and I don't think we should ever compare Munja with all the horror shows on TV. Never. A, because of budget also, and B, obviously because of the story.
Yeah, the treatment.
Yeah, the treatment. True. Yeah. So I'm very happy to be a part of this universe. It's a first for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a first for all of us to be a part
Yeah,
of this franchise. So
Absolutely.
it is a very exciting phase.
Absolutely. You've spoken about, this thing of playing mothers on screen. It's done and dusted now. You've spoken about it a lot. I mean, hey, you played Amir Khan's mother on screen. Well, but it's different, I'm sure, when you were playing his mother, because he's in his, early 20s.
Thank you for saying that, but yeah, I'm 25.
Yeah.
मुश्किल से बड़ा हूँ.
Wow.
अभी.
So, Mona, do you have people sometimes telling you from the outside that 25 साल के बेटे का माँ का role play करना?
You see, when I was just 32, I played a mother of 3 kids in my show, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा. Okay, so मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा ही नहीं. Everybody was wanting to look young, and I didn't care, because it was the story which was exciting for me.
Yeah.
It is always the content, the script, and what am I bringing,
To the table.
So that is my only question every time I select a script. Otherwise, if you talk about age, if you talk about how I'm looking, I don't care. If I'm looking the character and if I like the script, I will jump at it and do it. And playing Amir Khan's mother, well, I never thought about that. If you see the whole lifespan of Lal and his mother, there was an entire lifespan given to the characters. So if Lal is growing, mother is also aging in the film. So I loved it. I like to break barriers. I like to get out of my comfort zone. I like to do things that I've never done before. So I think that is what life is all about. It's about taking risks. If you don't take risks, you really are not living a good life.
Absolutely.
So it's good to fail. It's good to fall and get up again and try something new again. So I'm here to explore.
How lovely.
Yeah. No, really, that's what life is.
No, ideal.
Yeah.
Ideal way to think for an actor, actually.
Yeah, because if you keep listening to what others are saying, you won't be able to do anything in your life. Like I remember in early 2000s when I was telling my parents that I want to be an actor. You see, not coming from any acting background, nobody from the industry. There were a lot of people who were mocking. There were a lot of people who were making fun of me. Oh, you will go to the industry. You don't know anybody. Tu badal jayegi. Tera ye ho jayega. Wo ho jayega. So I was like, really? Who are they? They don't take care of me. They are not doing anything to add value in my life. So yeah, I did what I always wanted to do.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Do you agree with what she said in terms of, there are always people to give free advice?
Yeah.
Yeah. And ये बदल जाएगी film industry में जाके कभी सुना है?
बिल्कुल सुना है. And especially for people जो इस industry से नहीं
नहीं
आते,
है,
and I have also not come from this industry, and I have nobody even close or far in this industry in my relatives. It's always also for them also it's scary. Because in an industry, the industry seems very close knit, so it feels like every business is close knit. I'm saying like architects are close knit and everyone's so it feels like पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं, like पता नहीं where what happens there,
It's the unknown you jump into.
Even if nobody in my family is a doctor, but I would say that if they would say that, then my parents would still feel like hospital जा रहे हैं, क्या होता होगा वहाँ पे. So I'm saying this irrespective of an industry. So I think they're also very scared, and of course I've heard comments from lots of people even told my parents like, why are you letting her become an actor? And my parents have very nicely said that it's none of your business, nor is it ours, which was a great answer I thought. But I really, there are always opinions, but like Mona ma'am said, you have to listen to your heart.
Absolutely, that's what matters at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's
It's
what-
your life, your choices, your mistakes. Live it out.
Live it up.
Yeah.
Sharmari, a while back you posted a picture with Varun Dhawan. And we just want to ask you, does he have a cameo in the film? Does Bhedia have a cameo in Munja?
I don't know. I mean, the name of the film is Munja. I think you'll have to ask Munja.
What does Munja say since he speaks through you?
Yeah, you can say hi through her.
सनसेट के बाद ही आता है.
I'm not hearing anything. I'm not hearing anything. I'm trying. Amit, would you like to?
बोले अभी थोड़ा जल्दी है बताने में. और
7 जून को पता चलेगा.
बोले डीनू सर से
7 जून को पता चलेगा.
7 जून को बोल रहे हैं डीनू सर से बात करके बता.
And then he said something like, which we didn't understand.
Do you want to try
नहीं
listening to
बताएंगे.
him, Mona? You're fine. You're good.
No thanks, I don't need to do this on camera.
Okay. Now this might sound like a stretch when I ask, but then this is like, of course, Munja is not a. Is he evil?
Is Munja evil?
Munja.
Munja, actually, I would. We all
He's a
have a
jilted
different,
lover,
different.
lover,
He's a wicked lover. That's
Yeah, wicked lover.
He's actually the most wicked lover.
Yeah, but he's like
Somewhere-
this evil, funny, I don't know, like crime master go-go kinds. I don't know, I'm just thinking of like evil characters that have
Evil
been...
kid. Because he died at an early age and
Yeah,
he's
he
that
did.
evil kid who has a,
But I take inspiration from Munja as a lover. मतलब ऐसा प्यार करना कि मरने के बाद भी आपको
अच्छा
Yeah.
okay.
I
वो
thought
है
it
भाई.
was to be jilted lover was to scare his lover around.
No.
No, I said it's a stretch. Why? Because I want to ask that we all face our inner demons, right? You know, at every stage of our lives. But I just want to ask from each of you, what was that one inner demon you were really fighting in the initial months, let's say, of your career?
To give up. Not initial months of my career, but it was, before I got into the industry.
Mm-hmm.
You see, there were so many opinions and there were so many auditions that I was giving, and yet nothing was coming my way. So it's that demon which keeps telling you that maybe you're not cut out for this, maybe try something else. And you're like, no. Come back, focus, come back, focus. So I would come again, from Pune to Bombay and audition and try again. So yeah, I think it's that demon which I was trying to fight.
I think for me was to sometimes find a purpose in the day, in terms of the thing that like sometimes when you're auditioning and then not that there are auditions every day, but other than that, then there was nothing happening, So I used to wonder what to do today. No, really.
She just described half of my life.
Yeah. Like there have been times where, I used to be sleeping in bed and, my alarm used to ring and I used to be like, but what do I wake up and do today? Like, what do I don't have an audition to go to.
You
So
feel
then,
like there's no purpose.
yeah, so to find a purpose. And also that got me into becoming an assistant director. That happened only because, there was time and again I used to feel like, क्या करूँ उठ के आज क्या chill for a little bit or unsee a little bit, and maybe that makes you complacent, but in my place I just felt like I didn't want the fire to die,
Right.
and that would definitely be a big demon. I never want the fire inside me to die. So I feel like that feeling of finding that purpose in the day, and it could be as small as going to an acting class. Like, there was a long phase in my life where I just felt like, what to do, nothing's happening and I'm not getting work and I don't have anything to do in the day, and I used to all of this, and then I realized that, let's sign up for an acting class. And I used to have a 2-hour acting class every day, which I used to go to in Bandra, called Jeff Goldberg, and I used to go there every day for 2 hours. But that became a thing I used to look forward to.
True.
Otherwise, there was nothing to look forward to in the day.
Right.
So that's something that I feel.
Yeah.
There are days for an actor, for some actors, where bathing feels like work. Where you're brushing, तो हाँ कुछ कर लिया. I saw Vijay Raj's interview with saying कि हाँ कुछ नहीं है तो नहा लिए, कुछ खा लिया. But coming from like a small town called Panipat, there are lots of demons to be fought there first,
Sure.
and then come
finally
here.
arrive, yeah.
So coming here itself is a win. Coming from all the different regions of our beautiful country. तो वहाँ से बॉम्बे जैसी महानगरी में आना, where everything happens, where the magic is, जहाँ आपके सपने एक्चुअली पूरे होते हैं, तो वहाँ आना, उसके लिए ही बहुत सारे demons फाइट करने पड़ते हैं. और यहाँ पर आकर I really believe that an artist has मतलब थोड़ा सा वो एक नट थोड़ा ढीला होता है यहाँ का. So the thing which you think when you are not working is what makes an artist, not what you're doing on set.
Very
So
well said,
yeah, so that's what I really feel, and I resonate with also.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, that's because you.
That's your preparation time.
Yeah, that's your
That's
preparation.
exactly
Yeah.
what I was coming to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your prep is not on set.
Yeah,
Set
that is true.
Shooting actually people believe कि यार shoot मिल जाए यार तो मजा आ जाएगा.
True.
Shooting is not shooting is the easiest
He's
stage.
right. Shooting is the easiest.
Stage of your life. Whatever you do outside of shooting is what makes you artist.
Yeah.
And that's what makes you like grow as a person also. That's the demons which you fight every day.
Yeah. And also as people who I truly feel.
Yes, this I think deserves.
This really deserves.
से उठाया. No, but I really feel that also what he said, just to say on the same lines, that getting a chance is very difficult.
Right.
You know, and when you get that chance, you just feel like कि पूरा homework हो जाना चाहिए. That's what always my thing was. That which is why I went to an acting class and a dance class, and I actually even went for a direction class, like a Sunday direction class. I went to lots of things because I was like, when I come on set, and when I get my first job, I should just know things.
Yeah.
So he's right. It's not the shoot.
Wow.
But Sharmini, you know, we don't have much time. We have to wrap this up. I just want to say, you know, in your career, you know, right, since let's say Bunty or Bubbly too, from then till now, I mean, you have had the opportunity to, of course, work on some great films, but also, I mean, it's a dream come true for you. You've worked with a Rani Mukherjee, you've worked with a Mona Singh, you're working with an Alia Bhatt. I mean, can you tell me, just, you know, to our audiences individually, what's your takeaway from each one of these three talents?
I like your mine also. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, please.
What's your takeaway on working with a new actor?
Can't sit on camera.
Explicit content.
Sharmini.
Explicit.
Let's just stick to Mona.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, I think.
Rani.
I actually want to say that the one thing in common for, I want to say all three of them, is that undying passion for their craft. Like you see it.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying you see it on screen when people are performing, you see it when you meet them. You know, and as a young budding actor, I aspire to have that. I aspire to have something of that, because over all the work that they have done, you can see that everybody puts like a piece of their heart in that, and you can only do it when you have this undying passion for your craft.
Right.
So yeah, I think that's that one thing that I think they all have in common, and I guess that's why they're all there.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's why they're
21
all
years
there.
of Mona Singh,
I
man.
know.
Come on.
It's
Coming
not
from-
easy, and what like different roles people have done. Like, I mean, to say this about Mona, I was like, Justice took about 8 o'clock sharp, right?
Yeah.
Like, I remember sitting in front of the TV and watching it every single day
The word
with my
stopped.
family.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
It just
She's
doesn't
on
feel.
red.
yeah.
No, but it really doesn't feel like, you know, I've completed 20 years in the
21,
industry.
man.
See, that's the
21.
undying fire that you have.
Absolutely. Just very lastly, before I wrap up, just to the women, two of you. You know, of late, a lot of conversation is happening about, you know, paparazzis and how, you know, women on camera get captured, inappropriate angles, without consent sometimes. I just want to take your take on that.
It is disturbing. They keep focusing on, you know, on like
Not appropriate.
Not
Yeah,
appropriate.
yeah.
Yeah, not appropriately, and it is disturbing. Will they do that to a man? Will they zoom on their crotch when a man is walking in? No. But they do that to every woman. You know, you attend an event, you go for an award function, and these are the kind of videos you keep seeing. I think every woman should just, you know, stand up against it and raise a voice against it, because it is really not cool to do that.
Yeah.
They wait for some faux pas to happen. They just wait.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, it's
No, I think Mona is absolutely right on this, and there's really nothing to add. It's honestly, it is a sensitive topic, and so one must not speak too much about it. What she said is absolutely perfect.
Right, great. We'll just test your quiz on this Maddock verse.
Okay.
The horror comedy verse.
Okay.
Which was the second film in the horror comedy universe?
Ruhi.
Yes. What did you say?
No, Ruhi.
What did you say?
Ruhi.
Okay. Alright. One upcoming horror comedy apart from Munja.
Stree 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Stree is based on an urban legend of which state?
South India, somewhere in South India. But then they put it up in Bhopal. Well, they shot it North India, but it's in South India.
Which state?
Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Okay, but you just flicked. He didn't even know it was South India. Okay, he just said it like that only.
Okay, next
You know, I was going to take a minute to talk nicely about it because I forgot to answer that question. I never did.
Karnataka.
Bheria is based on which
Werewolf.
social issue?
For the deforestation of
Yes,
Oh, lovely. My God.
Okay.
अरे ये फिक्स है इन दोनों का यार मुझे लग रहा है
What was Rajkumar Rao's profession in Stree?
ट्रेलर
Okay.
पियानो ट्रेलर
Trailer.
Thunkeshwari is from which horror comedy film?
Bhedia.
Yeah, and who featured in it?
Shraddha Kapoor and Kriti Sanon. Featured.
It is
Kriti Sanon.
It was largely Shraddha Kapoor.
I said Shraddha Kapoor.
Yeah.
Okay,
She made like a special appeal.
we're one team.
Okay.
Anyway, so I think it's a tie between both of you.
Yeah,
So-
There's no time. He didn't know this. Please give him fake validation.
Karnataka.
I think Sharvari won.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am.
She deserves a round of applause.
इसे बच्चे को परेशान
Alright guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Lovely speaking.
Likewise.
Hi, I'm Mona Singh.
Hi, I'm Shadvari.
I am Abhay.
And you're watching us on News 18.